5 Best Chainsaw Reviews. We are going to check out top 5 best chainsaw in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this chainsaw, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
BLACK+DECKER LCS10 2020V Max Lithium-ion Chainsaw, 10-inch. 20V Max Lithium battery for long run time and long life, stays charged up to 5x longer. 10 inches premium Oregon low kickback bar and chain. Tool-free blade tension system for quick adjustments. Wraparound bail handle.
Top 4.
Greenworks 12-inch 40V cordless chainsaw, 2.0 Ah battery included, 20,262. High-performance G-Max 40V lithium-ion battery delivers fade-free power with no memory loss after charging. Robust 12-inch steel chain and bar with tool-less chain tensioning offers ease of use while delivering the highest cutting performance. 3/8-inch chain pitch delivers the right amount of capabilities to get those limbs trimmed and cut with minimal kickback. Automatic oiler applies oil to bar and chain when needed to ensure durability and optimal use with a translucent oil tank for clear view of oil level. Wraparound handle for multiple cutting positions to provide ease of use when trimming at different angles. 40V G-Max and 40V lithium-ion batteries are not cross-compatible. This tool is compatible with the G-Max 2.0 Ah battery, 29,462, and the G-Max 4.0 Ah battery, 29,472.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
XtremepowerUS 22 inches 2.4 horsepower 45 cc's gasoline gas chainsaw cutting wood EPA. Anti-kickback chain, effective anti-vibration design. Rapid mechanical chain brake handguard. EcoBoost engine for lower emissions, increased power and reduced fuel consumption. Engine clean air intake system, efficiently prevent the dust enter into the engine. Can be removed easily for cleaning. EPA approved.
Top 2.
Greenworks 16-inch 40V cordless chainsaw, 4.0 Ah battery included. Our Greenworks brushless motor provides your Greenworks tool with longer run time, more torque and more power. This leads to less wear and tear, extending the lifetime of the tool. Compatible with Greenworks G-Max 40V Li-ion system, offering a range of tools to choose from. Brushless motor delivers up to 30% more torque for the greatest cutting performance. Oil tank, translucent. Brushless motor design offers up to 70% less vibration for user comfort while working. One battery powers more than 25 tools. Battery capacity 2 Ah. Chain brake and low kickback chain for increased user safety. Electronic chain brake prevents from accidental kickbacks.
Top 1.
Husqvarna 460 Rancher, 20 inches 60.3 cc's 2-cycle gas chainsaw. XtremepowerUS delivers lower fuel consumption and reduced exhaust emission levels in accordance with the world's most stringent environmental regulations. Smart Start, the engine and starter have been designed so the machine starts quickly with minimum effort. Air injection, Centrifugal air cleaning system removes larger dust and debris particles before reaching the air filter. This results in reduced air filter cleanings and improved engine life. Adjustable oil pump allows you to control oil flow depending on application and weather conditions. Quick release air filter facilitates cleaning and replacement of the air filter.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.